Hi everyone, welcome to another live trading series. Today is Tuesday, November 30th, the end of the month. I'm filming from a different angle today just to try to get some of that natural light instead of filming from the left, filming from the right. I was just dealing with lighting issues previously, so just trying a different look. Whatever, don't mind. This is my this is my work setup in the back, my personal setup right here. Today I'm going to be showing you a few trades on Tesla. I'm going to show you what I did, vertical puts. I did 10-day vertical puts. I'm going to show you how those are doing right now. I'm going to close them. And then also I'm going to open iron condors. Because Tesla has shot up so much, it is too expensive for me to trade naked calls and naked puts. So in order to limit my exposure and limit my buying power, I'm going to sell an iron condor, which is basically a vertical put on the bottom or a credit spread on each side. So a put side and a call side. I'm going to show you how I choose my strikes. I kind of already researched. I want as close to delta neutral as I can, and I'll show you what those strikes are. And then we'll just kind of talk through it. Right now, the reason why I'm doing this is because of VIX. So if we go to VIX, shot up 23% today. I'll be earning a lot more today than I would be yesterday, just for this, even though like theta is taking, some of the time away. Every day that passes, you should be earning less, but VIX popped 22%, 23, SPY's going down. Everything is red, if you can see on the right side of TradingView. So I should be able to make just a little bit more. I'm going to try to call the bottom. So as everything tanks, I want to try to sell puts near where I think the bottom will be, just to make as much as I can. Just showing you quickly what I've done. The way Questrade groups these is a little weird. So I did 4 credit spreads on Tesla, 900 and 800. So 800 is my protection. And then I did 950 and 750. This is I just wanted to scalp a little bit of money. I saw a good opportunity. I think 5 contracts is too much. I'm going to try to scale it down to 3 just so I can have some buying power in case something goes wrong. So what we're going to do, I just want to show you how much I've made here. So 980, 505 is my profit, 180, 51. So 980 plus 505 minus 180 minus 51. So I did 10-day options, and within 7 days, so I have 3 days left, I've made 1,254. I can make another, let's say I can make another $700 if I wait 3 days. But I've made 75% of the profit. Let me close now and then roll to the future just to take advantage of just like high volatility period. So what we'll do if we go, I don't like when I go by strategy, it just groups them weird. So I have to do it. Let me go like this. If I go 4 and then 4, so I can close out 4 all at once. If I can try to pay a little less. So why aren't I getting any buying power back? Buy to close, sell to close. That's weird. It should be giving me buying power. What's up with that? So then those ones closed. Let's look at the last one that's open. Nope, not this one, vertical put. Okay. And then I'll close this. I probably could have closed it all at once, but let me just do this. So we'll try to get the midpoint. All right, yeah, why aren't I getting any buying power back? That's weird, change in buying power. Because like I'm closing these options, it should give me some. That's kind of weird. That's fine though. So if we go to Tesla, and then I think iron condos are level 3. So you need, I think naked options are level 4. You need 25,000 in Questrade, but iron condos should be level 3. If you just click down here, it'll set up an iron condor for you. So I'm going to go 10 days again and just click on any one, and then you could just manage it. So instead of this wants you to buy an iron condor the way they have it set up. So I'll just change this to sell. And then my call side, I like looking at it like this, just so I can show you all. Call side will be 1,300. My protection will be 1,400. So I'm going 100 strikes wide. So that is $10,000. No, is that even more? 100 times 100. Yes, $10,000. I'm an accountant. I should know this, right? My put side will be a little riskier, going a little closer. I'm going 950 and then 850. So for an iron condor to work, if you go like lopsided, it'll say error. It wants you to do the same strikes on each side. If you don't choose the iron condor and if you go customize, you can make them lopsided and like bow-legged if you want. But for Questrade not to freak out, if you choose iron condor, 100 has to be the variance between the call side and the put side. So you see 1300, 1400 is 100, 950 to 850 is 100. So there you go. And then I should be making, this is $1,000, like $1,100 for each one. Okay, I need to step back a little bit. Tesla is risky. I was doing this last year. A lot of people would be like, oh, you just found out Tesla credit spreads. We've been making money on this for a while. But I've been avoiding credit spreads on Tesla just because it can shoot up 5% or go down 5% in just in a few days. So that's why I'm doing 10 days to begin with. And also, if it comes to managing spreads or iron condors is very hard because you'll make, oh man, my lighting is still not working even with me changing it. Managing iron condors is hard, so you need additional buying power. What I'm going to do, I have enough buying power for 6 iron condors, but I'm only going to use 3. I'm going to save my buying power in case I have to manage it. If you can afford 2 iron condors on Tesla, only sell 1, and then if you have to manage it, you can sell 2 just to move everything down, just worst case scenario. Don't deploy all your buying power. I kind of learned that the hard way last year when I kind of had to slowly like move everything up because I was selling naked calls or I think I was selling call credit spreads, but I can afford 6. I will only do 3. So what I'm doing here, basically my risk is $10,000 for 10 days. And right now I am making $1,000 on each side. So am I looking at that right? Is that 10%? So I'm making 500 on each side, which is 5% for 10 days. But because I'm selling an iron condor, I can't have a max loss on the put side, max loss on the call side, because it's only going to breach one side. It's either going to go up to 1300 or it's going to go down to 950. So I am making indirectly, I'll say 10% in 10 days on this, but it is risky. Doing this on Tesla is risky. I am going to go to right here, I guess, not midpoint, but I just want this to get filled on camera. So if I go slightly skewed, we click here. So my changing buying power, $26,000. I am making $3,300 for 10 days, but I am going to close this early. So I am aiming for 1,500. This looks good. It looks like I'm making 3,000, but I'm going to close this early, or if I have to manage it, I will. I'll go up to 6 contracts. Right now I'm doing 3 contracts. I am aiming for 1,500, 1,600. Just because Tesla's risky, I'm not going to hold it to the end. Let me send that order. Hopefully it gets filled right away. I probably could have made a little bit more if I played with the strikes, but I am feeling pretty good about this. So I made 75%. So I could have made 2,000. I made 75%. I closed it. Now I'm making like, instead of 3,300, let's say 3,300. Hopefully I can make 50% of this, 1,650. I'll close it next week. Hopefully I can film rolling it again or just kind of follow the price upward or downward. There might be something else I want to do. I kind of want to show you guys like some more riskier trades if I want. Everything is red right now. Like, what am I going to do? I was super profitable on Neo yesterday and then it dropped 5%. So I don't think I'm profitable on it now. I might save this for another video. I want to go super risky with BlackBerry, man. Like, I don't know. I want to sell. I could go risky with AMC. Like, if we just go interest, if you just want to see the return, if we do like 2 weeks on AMC, let's see what it is. If we see 10 days, if I sell something, this isn't smart, selling like naked puts on AMC. So, okay, this is not that good. So for 10 days, if I sell the 25 strike, which is like the 1 delta, I could make 1%. If I go closer, yeah, so if this is down 8% today, it, in 10 days, could it hit 25? That's fine. But like 1%, this is 0.9%. So $23 for 2,500 in capital. So 23 divided by 2,500. Can I not use a calculator? 23 divided by 2,500 times. So 0.9 for 10 days. If we kind of like annualize this, or like to just see what it makes monthly. I don't know. This is 2.76%. This might not be worth it. We could go super risky if you want. Here. So instead of 33, let's try 20. If AMC is 20, so this is a 50-day trade, making $77 for 2,000 in capital. 77 divided by 2,000. That's 3.85%. Divided by 50 times 30 to annualize it. That's 2.3%. I don't know. Like, is this a smart play? It's at 33 right now. You sell a 50-day 20 call. I don't know. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to chill for now. But I don't know. Is that all I want to show you on Tesla? I might end this video right now and then open another one just showing you what I'm going to do on BlackBerry. I kind of want to make a little riskier trade. We'll see what happens. I might save some of my buying power. I do get excited when I see VIX this high. It hasn't been 27, 28 in a while. So if we go to the 1 day mark, so it was like that in September 17th, and then the last time it was May, and then the time before that was March, and then yeah, obviously you guys know what has happened. But so every 2 months, there was like 5 months in between, like May to September, but every few months we get this like 27 VIX day, and you see it doesn't last long. Like I was going to show you guys like VIX plays I was doing. Like every time VIX hits a new low, it pops, so buy calls, but then it's not hitting the new low that I want. But yeah, whatever. Oh yeah, you guys can see like I'm trying to get this. I ordered this Blue Yeti mic, so maybe I can get better quality, or maybe I don't really need it. Maybe I'll get better quality if I just talk into the mic instead of this like shotgun mic that's on the camera. Yeah, so again, I'm rambling. Let me end this now. I might reopen another video just to show you BlackBerry trades. Thanks for watching. Tune into the next one.